Right. I'm liking this new little camera angle that I have going on over here. But I am almost finished with this journal, and there's a few things I wanted to go over in this video. Number one, I need to do a little repair to this journal for the final day that I'm going to be using it, because I don't know if you can see, it's kind of peeling right there. So I gotta do a little repair, and I wanted to do a little update that I've started doing in my journal. I have started to practice cursive writing again. I haven't written in cursive since I was in first or second grade. When I was in first and second grade, I was in a private school, and this was like 2000. How old was I in first and second grade? Like 6 and 7 years old. So 2004 and 2005. A long time ago. But I haven't. So I learned cursive in first and second grade in this private school that I was at. You can see Chance over there eating his food. Yeah. But I haven't practiced cursive writing since I was in first and second grade, right? 6 and 7 years old. And I'm 28 years old right now. And I was inspired because the kids that I work with at my work was like asking about the cursive writing that the teacher was writing in. And I'm like, oh, I haven't written in cursive in so long. I was inspired. I was like, I want to start writing in cursive again. So I had started in a different book, in a notebook that was like writing the ABCs out and all that kind of stuff. And then as I got better at it in that notebook, I started to write in cursive today, actually. I could show you a page. See? Yeah, cursive. So yeah, I've started writing cursive in this book, and I'm almost done with this book. I only have 1, 2, 3 pages left. So that also means I will be finished with this book tomorrow. Almost guaranteed that this book will be finished tomorrow. So when that happens, I usually pick out a book to bring with me tomorrow, that in case I do finish this book and I'm not home when I finish it, that I can still continue to write in a new book. So I get to pick out one of these now, and I'm gonna pick that. I'm gonna show you which one I pick. And then also I'm gonna do a little repair right here just to make sure it doesn't get worse or rip completely off before I archive this tomorrow. So I think what we're gonna do first is pick out a journal, and then tape this up, and then that'll be the video. Let's see, which journal do I want to pick? This is always the hardest part for me because I have kind of a collection, and I'm very indecisive about stuff like this. So all of my field notes. My favorite one is this one, the Joshua Tree one. That's my favorite one, but I don't know if I want to use this one yet. There's so many. Maybe I'll use a bird one. I don't know. Maybe, I could use one of these, the popsicle ones. Could use a popsicle. I have this one, I have the yellow one, and where's the purple one? There is the purple one. I don't know where the purple one is. I don't know where the purple one is. Oh, it's right here. The purple one. So I have these 3. These were like a limited edition one So I got these, but I don't know if I want to use those. So it's between the Joshua Tree. Oh God. It's between the Joshua Tree. Maybe this. Maybe that one. Those two. Or maybe that one, I think. It's between these three, I think. I don't know. I do kind of like this one too. What is this one? The Is a River Alive series. This one and this one. I completed one. It was this one. This is the completed, but this is like the collection it was from. So I think, and then this bird one is lined paper instead of graph or dotted. And I haven't used the line one, so maybe I might use this one. This one is dotted, and then this one is graph paper. Maybe I will use the bird. And this is an Oriole. I think this is an Oriole. Yeah, it's the Baltimore Oriole. That one. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Yeah, we're gonna go with this one. This is the one we're choosing. Now I just have to put all my notebooks up again. All right, that's the one we're choosing. Okay. All right. Okay. This will be my next one. And again, it's lined paper instead of graph or dotted. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, this is the next one I'm gonna use. I'm excited about this one. Again, I've never used a lined one, so this will be different. And then now, just gonna tape this one up and okay, so it's the next day, and I officially finished this bullet journal. And I don't know if you noticed, I got an overhead tripod, so you can actually see me overhead. And yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm actually really enjoying it. So, we are going to archive this journal. I finished it on August 5th, Wednesday, and I finished it at work. I wrote at work on Wednesday. So, we are going to archive this, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this one that I started. But first, we are going to archive this one. So, that's what we're doing. These are the labels that I was using. So, let's see. Started on, what was that, July 23rd? So, 07, and it's number, what is this, 4? Yeah, number 4. Okay. Maeve, go away. I'm trying to do a video. My cat is like in the video, but that's okay. Alright. I think I was orienting. Hold on, I'm trying to remember how I was orienting these stickers. One moment. Alright, so I was keeping these. I want to keep these uniform, so I'm trying to orient these stickers. Maeve, go away. Okay, so I was orienting this way. So they were going this way. Okay. Label. They're going like Okay. And then we get the shipping tape. About that long. Okay. Okay. Alright. This one is officially archived. Maeve, come on. Sorry, my cat she's still a kitten, and she's got to get up on everything. So, alright, that's archived. Number 4 is officially archived. Ta-da. Alright, next. Oh my god, she's knocking everything off the counter. Okay, let's see. This next one. Things I've noticed so far of having written in it for half a day and this morning. It is lined paper instead of graph paper. The lines are a bit spread out compared to the graph lines. So I can't fit as much on these pages as I can the graph pages, which is interesting, and I don't know if I'm gonna like that or not, but I'm not gonna like give up on this book just because of that. So I'm gonna go through it. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not, but we'll see if I do. But yes, this is what is the bird? Baltimore Oriole page. I'll show you what it looks like. And yeah, I have numbered, oh my gosh, I've been numbering them on the back corners here. So, yeah. And that's that for this video. I think that's all I wanted to say about this journal so far. Again, I am practicing my cursive, trying to write more in cursive, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys.